Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a bit of a frustrating video. This is a couple-year result from a younger Indian guy who came in, and we had done his triangles, and then he had,
He's a Sikh.
yeah, and he had pulled out the hair from this side of his head. And we did this, and if you watch some of my videos, I talk about how it's very difficult to get the hairs in this area to really work well. First of all, these hairs tend to be thinner than the hairs up on top, so you're looking for thinner,
Grabs.
weaker hairs. And then next you have to plant them really acutely with relation to the skin. And no matter how slanted you make that slit, or I make that slit, there's always some contracting with healing, and it pops it up. And so sometimes they stick out too much. And so I tend not to like to do this, except for Sikhs and black women who have done braids and pulled out their hair. I think those are the ones that we can really get good results in. But just for your average guy that's got fine hair here, I'm not interested because you can't get it really to match well. But so anyhow, I'd forgotten all about this. And our patient came in last week, and he did this little interview. So he looks really good. I mean, you think he looks good with his beard.
Oh my God, I like him with this beard. But
And we had a 5-minute long video of him showing his beard and showing everything else.
his whole face is framed. He has his beard. I mean, he looked really good.
And then just as we were editing this video, he called up and said his girlfriend didn't want him to use his face. So
You don't get to
bummer.
see him all the way.
So maybe we can talk him into, because he's going to need another case down the road, and we can sweet talk him into using his face. But I think his recipient areas up here look good, but in particular, that looks so natural. I couldn't even tell that we'd done it. I'd forgotten all about it.
You see, you give yourself a
Little credit.
little credit.
So if we can help you, please subscribe to us on this channel. We've got to remember we got to do this. You got to subscribe to us here. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.